Today we're talking about making, maintaining, and moving things and people. Specifically in this video, we're going to explore careers in construction, manufacturing, maintenance, and transportation. The world we live in literally functions because of the work people do in these careers. How's it going? I'm Moses with Get Schooled. In this video, we're going to discuss the 6 keys of this career path to unlock your future. So stay tuned. Before we jump in though, y'all already know what it is. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so when we drop content, you guys stay up to date. All right, y'all ready? Let's dive in. So the next time you walk through your neighborhood, look around. Think about how every building was built. How are the materials to those buildings delivered? And how are those buildings still standing to this day? It's not an accident. Construction workers, roofers, electricians, truck drivers, and cement engineers, and so many more people make this happen. If you're ever in the city, look up. Advanced manufacturing technicians turn raw materials like steel into building beams that airplane pilots and train engineers deliver around the planet. All right, so in the field of construction, manufacturing, and transportation, there is a wide range of responsibilities based on role and location. For example, an electrician or roofer will potentially be putting together new systems on a new building or repairing or maintaining systems within existing structures. Jobs may be short-term in the sense that you might be done in a few hours or in a single day. Other jobs can be long-term, lasting weeks, months, maybe even years. In any case, you're gonna bring both your technical skills and your communication skills to the table. This is key to making sure the job is done correctly, all right? Now, this may look very different for a train engineer or an airplane pilot and truck driver. These jobs will be extremely scheduled and planned out. We depend on these jobs to deliver people and goods on schedule and on time. And this means that your dependability and skills will not only pay the bills, but also make countless people really happy. All right, so while there are so many roles within this career pathway, the median salary is somewhere around $53,000. Commercial airplane pilots can make well over $100,000 at the high end of the transportation industry. Within construction or manufacturing jobs, it can vary a lot, depending on your level of expertise and specialty. The more specialized skills you have, the higher your pay may be. For example, as you work your way up from a general construction worker to a foreman to a contractor, you'll likely see your salary increase from somewhere around $40,000 to $85,000 a year. These are great fields to explore, especially while you're young and still filling out your education pathway. Many of these jobs within this field don't require advanced degrees, and some even have earn while you learn options like apprenticeships. Because a lot of these jobs are hands-on and technical, you need to do the job to actually learn the job. That's why a lot of the careers in construction, manufacturing, and transportation don't require a 4-year degree. However, for many management level positions within these fields, you're gonna have to complete a 4-year degree, or at least have many years of experience to even be considered for these kinds of positions. Apprentices have a full-time job and earn on the job while they have a mentor to work with for many years. And at the end of it, they take these skills anywhere in the country. Many jobs, like advanced manufacturing, even have programs that start in high school. So, if you love machines, working with computers, and programming, this is pretty much where the future of manufacturing is headed. Construction, manufacturing, and transportation careers can offer so many opportunities for growth, and the great news is that you can move up just by learning on the job, maintaining great relationships, and having a learner's mindset and curiosity. Like I said earlier, apprenticeships are a great way to move up early in your career. you can go from being a novice and having no skills in something like carpentry, and then within a few years become a master builder. This not only means that you can grow within a company, but it also means that you can start your own business or even mentor new apprentices. Within air travel, you're gonna need more advanced training and education, everything from flight school to learning how to fly small aircrafts, logging in hours and hours in the air, and working your way up to the larger aircrafts. Someday though, you might even be flying a commercial jet around the world. Progression is all about skill building. Let me know, what is a skill that you want to get better at every single day? Go ahead and drop me a comment. Speaking of skills, making the world go round requires a lot of it. This means that you can start honing your technical and social skills right now. This means that you can lean into your strengths of being a hands-on learner, being detail-oriented, and always striving to be dependable. Many of these jobs require a solid foundation of math and physics, so be sure to continue finding ways to apply your math to the real world. Thanks for watching and hearing about the 6 keys to your career in making, maintaining, and moving things. Be sure to follow Get Schooled for more ways to explore your career path and get help getting there. Again, my name is Moses. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.